Hello everyone. Today we have this lot of models that I'm going to ship to Mississippi. Thank you for that, buyer. So I'm going to do a test run on these models, and actually we have here Tommy Thomas. This one is Plarail with the printed side tanks, printed number and lining. And actually this one I put at 24,000 RPM motor. Probably you remember that one. It's a pretty fast Thomas, faster than the normal Thomas. Now the next one is Tolkien Thomas. Tolkien Thomas. This one is from Mattel 2009, and it's a really nice model. So I'm going to put it to run right there. There it goes, Thomas. Also, the other one he bought from me is Percy, Tolkien Percy. So this one also from Mattel, and very nice condition. Let's turn this model on and push the button. There goes Percy, the Tolkien Percy from Mattel. Very nice model also. 2009. So the next one that goes to the same person is this Paxton. Paxton, as you might know, this one is same model like a diesel, same shell. They just paint a different color and a different face. Let me tell you, when I used to sell on eBay, I'm talking about years ago, a lot of people was looking for this special Paxton with the orange lining here. So it was kind of pricey, but anyways, they like it that. So there is Paxton running on the track, and the next one we have Freddy. So Paxton is from Mattel 2000. Is it 10 or 9? Yes, can't even see. It's actually 2009. So we have Freddy. The decals are in decent condition due to the age. Look, 2009. These white decals always get dirty, but this one is in a good preserved condition. There's Freddy. Nice Freddy. There goes Freddy. I think Toy Company named this Fearless Freddy, but in Mattel is only Freddy. Also Ben, this one is from Tommy. There are two dates, 1999 and to 1997. I don't know why, but anyways, there goes Ben. Really nice condition, very good. The next one is the Green Salty. Here it is, the Green Salty, 2009 from Mattel, and there it goes, the Green Salty. That's a nice one. I used to sell a lot of those. The complete set is really nice. Okay, the next one is Splish Splash Splosh Emily. This one also Mattel 2009. Good condition. I always like to say good condition. Even if they are in excellent condition, I just put on my listings on my online store, good condition. But anyways, I provide a lot of pictures, so buyer might see with the zoom in photos about the quality. I'm talking about the exterior details of the model. The next one, Scroof. We have Scroof 2009, and actually this one is 2010 Scroof with the garbage truck cargo. What are these? Garbage bags, cans, and other metal things. And there it goes, Scroof. I like it, Scroof. Oh, my track is bumpy. I have a bumpy track. Okay, and then we have Fling. Let me see, Fling. This one is 2010. Yes, right there, from Mattel. Nice. You know, I like the details on these models. All models, the fabricators make, or the designers made a lot of details on the models. The new models are like people say that they are garbage, but I say anyways, that's their opinion. But the old models are better than the new ones. And there goes Fling. Fling, and the back car. I don't know what's in that back car. I think it's only ladders and hoses. Oh, there's some shovels right on the sides. Yeah, like I said, this does have more details than the Trackmaster Revolutions or even the other models. Now we have Silver Spencer. I don't know if you guys have seen Spencer in two different colors. This one is Mattel 2009. So I remember seeing Spencer kind of cream color or ivory, maybe, I don't know, but this one is reflective, shiny, silver, and the other I think it's Hitoy or Tommy models that does have that come with a different color. It's not even silver. I have to fix my track. Hold on. It's a bumpy track right there. So yeah, okay. So I guess that's all that our subscriber bought. This one goes to Mississippi. Now I have others that I need to put in the mail. Those over there. That's Black 5 Henry right there, and Black Prince Murdoch, and the Timothy the Ghost Engine, but that will be for the next video. So let me check. We gotta put this in a box, and these are for our friend from Mississippi. I just gotta double check if they are in working condition. So our friend is going to receive models ready to go with no problems. This one is too fast. I gotta check everything. Okay, that's it.